Hello guys, how are you guys? Today I won. I bet some soccer. I won around. I've been playing. I won this amount. It was around 14k. As I told you guys that I'm also gonna share with you guys a soccer ticket. I bet the soccer tickets I won. So I want to try this game here, which is Juicy Fruit Multihold. I never played it before. The last time I played this game I lost, and I was playing it with a small amount. So today I say let me take a risk the way I take a risk on hot fruit. So let me see, when I play this game with 15 rand, how much am I going to get? So let's start. I will be doing it manually. I want to see if I can get something good. Okay, I will be spinning by my hand, guys. I believe in my hand. Alright, let me just show you guys. I want you guys to enjoy this game. I'm gonna pause my video. Okay, yeah, I want you guys to enjoy the game. Yes. Yeah, you must see me now, guys. Hey, I love the music. I love the music. I love the music, guys.
Extra spin.
Okay. Wow. All right. So fast. What? No ways. This never happened. This never happened. Let's see. Yes. Can I unlock all of them? Yes. Yes. Only one. We are left with one, guys. Oh, it must not play as deity. There is no growth here in this.
Extra spin.
Okay. Super bro. I thought it was gonna be 500. It's the 170. £64. Imagine. Okay.
Extra spin.
Wow. Mega 165. We'll take that. What happened? What happened, man? Okay, I won 600. Let me try to spin. Maybe we will get something. I'm just spinning with 200, guys. I'm going. After 200 rand, I'm leaving. Okay. It seems like it's not easy to get a bonus here. It's not easy to get a bonus when you are spinning. Yes, yes, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes, yes. Evan, what happened there? Nah. Okay, guys, let me just try to buy one more bonus. I'm really loving that bonus. Maybe I won't waste my money. 375 rand. And thank you guys for supporting me. And if you are a new member, kindly like this video, share. And then I'm playing this game, and then I'm going to announce something here. I've been playing too much today, guys, and I promise you guys that we're going to go live. So because of I'm going to cancel the live at 7 p.m. today. But what I'm going to do in this video here, with this one which we are playing now, if you must like, comment, talk, I'm going to nominate 10 people who are winners. I'm going to use my strategies. I might use the commenting strategy, and then I'm also gonna use the liking. If the liking are above what I want, I'm going to nominate 10 people. And secondly, I'm going also to check there are those people who are supporting my channel daily, who watch my videos and they comment. I never give them the vouchers. I'm going to nominate them and I will give them the voucher. So today in this video, I'm going to nominate 10 people. So I'm gonna name their names. After, I'm gonna make a video on them on Monday. Then I will mention those people who won, and then those people who won, they will hear by in the video, and they will know what to do in that video after when they've listened to the other video on Monday. So guys, and subscribe and share. So if I get more subscription and then I'm also getting more likes, it means that I'm going to give away. I'm gonna give a nice things. So guys, let's continue with our bonus buy. Thank you for listening to that. Sorry, I have a flu, guys. Let's hope this one is going to be it's gonna be like a profitable one. It does not looks like. It does not looks like it's gonna be a profitable one, guys.
Extra spin. Extra spin.
No, I think we lost here. It's a nice one. Let's see, 66 rand. Let's see how much it's gonna give us. Mega win of 114. Yeah, I lost. Let me try to spin with 15 rand again. You know, I always make this kind of mistake when I'm playing hot fruit. You have seen that. Sometimes when I'm playing hot fruit, I will play with 15 rand and I don't win. So I don't know, like I see some people playing with 7 rand 50. Let me try 750 too. Maybe 750 is the best. I don't know, because when I see other videos, they play with 750 and they end up winning. I will just do an auto spin, guys. I don't have much time. All right. Okay, what's going on here? Alright, we love that. Nobody love losing, guys. Trust me, no one's love losing. We don't want to lose. If you love losing, hey, I don't understand you. A person who love losing, I don't understand. I don't love losing. I don't love losing at all. And thank you guys for your support, and kindly subscribe to this channel and hint that a like button. Your support is highly appreciated by Master. And guys, if you know some people who need help with mathematics programming, let me know, guys, in the comment. You can WhatsApp me. Many of you guys, you have my WhatsApp number. Let me know those people. Let those people know about me, so that I can help them with mathematics. It can be a high school student, or it can be university, or if it's a university they are doing programming, let me know about them, so that let them know about me, then so that I can help them. If you want to be a web designer, or you want to learn, you want some extra lessons on coding, or you want to be an app designer, you can talk to me. I can help you, I can teach you how to do it, and I give you the platform. But you must remember, it's all about the hard works. All right, Matt, I'm losing now, guys. I'm losing. I'm losing. Okay. Oh, I think it's good to buy a bonus here, guys, because when we are spinning, there is nothing that we are getting. Here we. Let me know, guys, do you guys also bet soccers, or you don't bet soccer? Because I think soccer is better sometimes if you have 10 rand in your Hollywood, because normally when I bet soccer, I bet with 100 rand. I don't bet a lot of teams. So let me know in the comment section if you guys you also bet soccer, or you only play these games. No, we must get a bonus here, guys. What is that power of 750? Where is the power of 750 today? No. No. Where is the power of 7 rand 50? All right, guys. You. Okay. I was about to give up here. No. Can I stop it maybe? No. I'm saying no. Okay. No, guys. No. I think, guys, let me just buy a bonus, because it seems like as if when I buy, I'm doing this, I'm not getting anything. So let me just buy one more bonus, guys. Let's see how much this bonus is. If it profit us, I'm stopping. You know, sometimes we play well and we end up losing everything. That's boring. Very much boring. This is a good start. I'm loving the start here.
Extra spin.
Started so well, but let's see how is it going to end. Okay, this is not good, guys. Guys, this is not good. This is not good. No, it's not good. Alright, guys, let me accept the defeat, and thank you guys for watching. And then I'm going to use this video to nominate, like and share, and then comment, do everything. I'm going to nominate 10 people. I won't be available at 7 p.m. today, so this is the video that you're gonna be watching, guys. And then thank you guys, and have a good day. I will see you guys on Monday. I will be announcing the 10 winner. Those winners, everyone, I'm going to be doing, I will do a video and you will see those who are winners. I also want to use that app for commenting what and whatever, the likes and whatever, you know it. And thank you guys for sharing and liking and subscribing. Please subscribe to this channel, support me. Thank you guys very much.